Okay. We know that 3/4 of this is going to be less than 5/2. So we're matching up number 1 with A, B, or C? With A. Okay, so number 1 would go with A. All right, number 2. Is the dot going to be to the left or to the right of 5/2? Right. To the right. Why? Okay, because you're multiplying and they're both over 1. So we know this one is going to be over here, so this has to go with number 2. Okay, now that one. Left or right of 4/3?
Left.
Why? Because you're multiplying times a fraction, so 2/5 of 4/3 is going to be on this side of 4/3. Now it just gives it to you. They're the exact same thing, except they're spread out different. What property is that if they're spread out different?
Expanded.
Close. No, that's different who they associate with in groups.
Shifted.
If I gave you some paper and told you to distribute them, would I be spreading them out? So these are the same exact things. They're just distributed differently. Now, am I going to come out with a number less than 1 or greater than 1 over here?
Less.
Less than. So I know it's going to go with. Am I going to come out with a number greater than or less than 1 over here?
Greater.
So I know it's going to go with.
B.
And am I going to come out with a number greater than or less than over here? Less than. So it's going to go with C. All right. Now, all they want you to do is take these, and it says write as the sum or difference of 2 products. All that means is we're going to do it as distributive property. So we're just going to spread it out or distribute it differently. What would go in here, a plus or a minus? A minus, because all I'm doing is distributing things differently. So what would this one look like? Look at this one. And then look at this one. See what this one would look like. How would it start? 4/7, okay.
Plus 2/5. What times?
Look at it closely.
1/5.
1/5, okay? Because we're just distributing it differently. All right, how would this one start?
4/7 minus. Minus 3. 1.
The minus people were right because we were subtracting, so we're still subtracting. We're just spreading it out differently. Okay, okay. And the final one?
4/7 plus 1/8 times 1/5.
Okay, so all we did, we took it's the same information, we just distributed it out differently.
Yeah, 4/7.
Fill in the blank to make it true. What's going to come out of here? Something greater than or less than 1? Less than 1. So what's going to go here? Less than. What's going to come out of here? Greater than 1. So what's going to be here?
The greatest one.
What's going to come out of here?
Less than 1.
So what's going to go here?
The lesser.
And what's going to come out of here?
Greater than.
So this is going to be?
Greater than. And that was short. It's not. Oh, we're not done yet.
Describe why. Well, we've been describing why this whole time. Because if I'm multiplying by a number less than 1, This is going to be less than what you started with. If you're multiplying times a number greater than 1, then this is going to be more than what you started with. Simple explanations. There is a cool down in Google Classroom Feast.
Bye-bye.